Hey everyone, welcome back to Techlogy. Today I will show you how to use SUMIFS and AVERAGEIFS in Excel, the smarter versions of SUMIF and AVERAGEIF that let you use multiple conditions. If you have watched my previous videos on COUNTIFS and SUMIF, this one connects right to them. So you are building your Excel skills step by step. Imagine you are tracking your company's sales and you want to know what's the total sales made by John in the East region? Or what's the average sales of Mary in the West region? Obviously, you could filter manually every time, but SUMIFS and AVERAGEIFs do this instantly and they are very handy. So, here is our data set in which there is one column which is basically listing the salesperson names, and then second column is for the region, and third column is for the product, and fourth column is for the sales they have made. So first of all, we will tell you about SUMIFS. Let's say you want to find out that Mr. John, how many sales he has secured in the region of East. So there are two basically conditions here. So we will apply a SUMIFS formula like this, equal to sign, then SUMIF. Here we go, press tab. No, this is not what we wanted. Actually, it is SUMIFS. So for the condition. Now it is saying that sum range, the range from which you want to take the sum of, with some conditions obviously. So we will select this range, then comma, then criteria range 1. So first criteria is Mr. John, and that has to be selected from these salesperson names, and then comma, and then Mr. John. Then criteria 2. Criteria 2 is the region basically, and we will tell it about the range, then comma, and then we want to select the East region. So these are two conditions which we have provided. We can go on and we can select the product as well, but as far as our example is concerned, we need to enter these two conditions, and after that we close parentheses and press enter. So let me tell you what we are expecting out of this, that our SUMIFS formula will go through this data and it will find out how many times John is having the region East. So here John East, again John East, and then John West. So John West will be excluded out of this. John East 500, John East 300. This will be summed up from this whole range. So 500 plus 300 will be 800. So let's see whether it gives us 800 or not. Press enter. Oh, great. Now we are moving towards the AVERAGEIFS. So in AVERAGEIFS, let's say we want to find out that what is the average sales of Mary in the West region. So here is the Mary 2 times, and all the time Mary has been to the West region. So it will obviously, actually we want to, basically take the average of this 400 and this 350. So it will be around 375. So let's check it out. How can we do it by AVERAGEIFS formula? So press AVERAGEIFS, press tab. Then first of all, it's asking about the average range from where we need to find the average, obviously based on some criteria. Then criteria first is the names, and then Mary. Then second criteria is the region, then West. 2 criteria we have provided, and now it should return us the average of these two values, 400 and 350. 371st. Whoa, that's great. So now let me tell you one pitfall, that if you somehow have selected this range to be different, or now you can see that the extent of the range of from which you want to make the average, and the criteria ranges are different. So it will return a error. So these must be of similar length. Great. So that's it for today. Today you have learned how we use SUMIFS and AVERAGEIFS formulas in Excel in order to make ourselves our lives easy. Thank you so very much for watching, and please do like and subscribe my channel so that I may continue to make such great videos.